In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Instagram video autoplay. So what you want to do is open up Instagram. Then you want to go to your profile on the bottom right, click on the hamburger menu on the top right, and then click on settings and privacy. Then you want to type in cellular. Then you want to scroll down until you see data usage and media, and you want to click on use less mobile data. And basically that will not load it immediately, you have to click on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments down below.